In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform an exchange on Shopify seamlessly. Whether you choose to do it manually through your Shopify admin or utilize the Shopify POS app for a more streamlined approach, understanding the nuances can greatly enhance your operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Let's explore the Shopify POS app method first, as it's designed to offer a more efficient transaction experience. Start by opening the Shopify POS app on your device and navigate to the Orders section. Once there, browse through the list to locate and select the relevant order. This will bring up the details of the customer's purchase. To initiate an exchange, tap on the Exchange button. It's intuitive and easy to find, making it user-friendly for those new to the process. Next, you'll want to choose the item that the customer is returning. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your inventory counts stay accurate and avoids future discrepancies. After selecting the returned item, it's time to pick its replacement. Browse through your inventory and select the item your customer wants in exchange. Adjust the quantities if necessary. This is particularly important if there are multiple items involved in the exchange or if there's a price difference that needs to be addressed. Once everything is set, complete the exchange by processing any necessary additional payments or refunds. If the replacement item is not immediately available, you have the option to mark the exchange as unfulfilled, thereby ensuring that the customer is informed and the item is shipped as soon as it's back in stock. On the flip side, if you prefer managing returns and exchanges directly through your Shopify admin, here's how you go about it. Access your Shopify admin and once again navigate to the Orders section to find the order in question. Reviewing orders in the admin portal gives you a comprehensive view of the customer's purchase history and your overall inventory. Here, you can choose to refund the customer directly or set up an exchange. One of the great features available to you is the ability to enable self-serve returns. This allows customers to initiate the returns process on their own, saving you time and effort. To activate this, you'd adjust your settings and create specific return rules, offering a more flexible and empowered experience for your customer. As you consider which method to use, keep in mind a few key factors. When processing exchanges, remember that returned items are added to your inventory at the location linked to your POS device. Also, if the items involved in the exchange carry different values, you'll need to decide whether to collect an additional payment or issue a refund. The manual process is always an option but can be error-prone, especially when handling large volumes of orders. The POS app, in contrast, offers an integrated approach that can save you time and reduce the risk of mistakes. Finally, communicating your return and exchange policies clearly is essential for maintaining a positive customer experience. Customers appreciate transparency, and a well-informed customer is generally a satisfied one. By providing clarity, you'll foster trust and encourage repeat business, which is the cornerstone of any successful retail endeavor.